All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol VXRT. Again, the most recent headline here for this company was update. Vark says potential COVID-19 vaccine picked for the Operation Warp Speed. And here we are with this stock. And obviously, there's other vaccines that they're talking about. AZN, and obviously Merlin. I know that most of you guys probably know about this bad boy here, or bad girl, whatever you want to call it, but mRNA has done a rally in the last couple of months. I mean, stock went from like $15, $17 the last time I saw it, or when I first saw it, all the way to like 100 and some change now. So there is some potential in these stocks. I mean, are they risky? Yeah, the whole market is risky, but there's some reward there. So here we are with Vaxart Inc. And before I jump into the chart, always I state this, and it's for all the new viewers. I know that sometimes my viewers or subscribers want to just jump into the chart, but there's always new viewers, and I always want to reach out to them too, because everyone counts, just because you're already in and you've been watching my videos doesn't mean that somebody new has come across it, and I always want to welcome them. And the first thing I want to say is, if you learn something new, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button for me so I can know you watched this video, and share this with your friends and community so they can receive this insight as well. So now let's jump into this chart. So bullish run, very, very bullish, from 782 all the way up to 1749. It got rejected from that point, and then the second high that this reached was 1716, and it got rejected again. So what's going on here with this chart? So obviously the very bullish run happened because of obvious reasons, that this had information that was informed that possible, warp speed, part of this whole rapid speed vaccine program that the Trump administration started. And before all of this, it was at $2. And once that was announced, it brought it up to 14.52. And then there's been new highs. It kind of leveled out, fell down, and then leveled out until there was another run. So in this time frame here, right? Oh, missed a little bit of it. Sorry. Let's bring this to the right space. In this time frame, all this space here, this stock was leveling out due to the hype that had happened from obviously June 26th being announced. It brought it all the way up. And then people selling off, fear, not sure if this was just based off of news, so forth. And then there was probably positive information from there on out. Maybe this is not updated, or they take a little bit longer. Yeah, this isn't updated. They take longer to post news because this isn't really all the headlines. I bet if you look up most recent news, some information will tell you why this spiked from here to here and where we're at now. So this leveling off here from this news down to here, I have a feeling that there's going to be a leveling off sequence here, and it just got started. Now, if things continue to run in a positive manner, even if this levels off like this, sooner or later there's going to be a point, whatever the price is up here, at this point, it'll jump up again. I don't know if I'm making myself understood, but what I'm trying to say is that basically this could be starting to be created over here, and there's going to be an endpoint to it, whether let's say it's $14, $13 up here somewhere. It's going to be something up until this point, and then there's going to be another rally due to updates and news on what's going on with this stock. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and look at what the stock has done in the most recent days. But I did want to share that this rally happened and there could be some leveling off, up and down, and then there might be another spike, another rally as good news continues to be exposed, because there's already good news that it's part of the Trump administration, right? And their decision, and it said it was potential vaccine to be picked. So has it been picked? Maybe there's updated news saying that, or many investors are feeling bullish because it's already been picked, or it's obvious that it's going to be picked. I don't know whatever's giving them that motive is what's causing this stock to continue the rally. Also, whoever bought here has probably sold within this time frame to take their profits, and they're probably re-entering. So a lot of different things are going on right now that's making this stock kind of level off here. So very bullish and then leveled off. Let's move this to their new locations. Okay. So this is a very, very narrow stretch here, what we got going on towards the end of the day. And the 50-day moving average has caught up to the price. The stock price was closed out at 1554, and the 50-day moving average is 1540. So right now there's a tug of war between the bears and the bulls. And for the bulls to win this, they have to load up on stocks. They have to. And write down the 50-day moving average. And if that gets crossed, not necessarily have the bears won, because look how it got crossed here and the bulls reappeared. But it's only a matter of time for the bears to gain control and start to tear this one apart in a downward direction. But for the bulls to avoid that, they're going to have to load up on stocks, and their first resistance level to break through is 1679. If that resistance level is tested and used as support, the most important resistance level after that is 1713. The reason why is this stock, their highest point was 1761. And 1713 is the resistance level that's going to give them the chance to get up there, right? If they can break through that second point of resistance, they'll be able to go ahead and break their way through new resistance levels and work their way to new highs. So that's very important. But before they get there, 1679, very important to break through, use that support, and work their way up. On the other hand, 1519, if that is broken through, two things have happened. The 50-day moving average has been broken through by the bears. The bears broke through the support, and then their job is to continue to break through other support levels and bring it down to bearish territory, pulling the price away, further away from the 50-day moving average in a downward direction. So that's going to be something to be very vigilant about, pay close attention to, and it's going to be interesting how this plays out, because this ending point here, that's so close to the 50-day moving average, so close to the support level, there's going to be a true tug of war. And the only way the bulls will win is if they load up on stocks to bring this one back up. So we'll see how it plays out tomorrow. It's going to be very interesting. And as always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you liked this video and you watched it. and found it helpful, and share this with your friends and community. Thank you for watching.